How to attract more leads into your business using lifestyle marketing. For decades, lifestyle marketing has been a powerful tool for home business owners. And a lot of people get confused when they are not getting results. They don't know what to do, how to use their lifestyle to actually bring in more leads. So I'm going to show with you exactly how you are going to do that. If you've been looking or you've been trying all this while to try to attract people to you, I'm going to teach you in this video how exactly to use your own lifestyle to get more people to take a look at if it's your product, if it's your business opportunity, they will be willing to join you. And if this is the first time you meeting me, I'm actually Abakara Minatu, and I help entrepreneurs to 10 times their sales online and to be able to grow fast as well. So with that said, let's dive into today's conversation. But many times newer marketers think that they can't use this tool, and I mean lifestyle marketing, due to the fact that they have not yet achieved a lifestyle they think is attractive. Sometimes we are just starting out. So we are looking at those big people in the industry that have already achieved the success, and we think that because we don't have those type of successes, we cannot share our little wins with our fans or our audience. But today I want to show you how anyone can use lifestyle marketing to their advantage, even if you are a brand new beginner. So first, let's come to understand that lifestyle is relative. And while we all are attracted to pictures and videos about the fantasy lifestyle that is often projected in this industry, more often than not, people are attracted to the simple lifestyle changes that come early in home business success. For example, if you are at home with the kids, show that you get to walk the kids to school, or you take pictures of the yummy snack you are waiting for waiting for them when they get home. If you can afford to eat out or more, take a shot of the family out at a restaurant or a pizza delivery truck, pulling up with family game night pizza. You see, just the simple things. Simple things. Even if it's maybe you are not yet going out with your kids, you don't have a fancy home. What is your lifestyle? What's your home business giving you? Is it giving you, is it growing? Is it helping you build your mentality? Wow, you can share that. Since I became a home business owner, my perspective at life, the way I used to perceive life has changed. The way I used to talk to people has changed. I used to be shy. I used to be inward. Now I'm outward. Now I can talk to everybody. Share what you love about the industry. You know, with this type of industry, everybody is his or her own boss. Nobody takes orders from the other. And what makes it more appealing is the fact that we are all trying to help each other. Nobody is trying to pull the other down. All those are lifestyle because it gives people peace. If you are at the workplace and either your subordinates are trying to pull you down or your boss is trying to overwork you, and then you read a lifestyle about someone in a business that he is his own boss and is working from home, even as part-time, I think you'll be interested in taking a look at. So have more leisure time now. Like, you can show that you have more leisure time now. You can take videos and pictures of your favorite activities like hiking, if for those outside the country, shopping is everywhere, all over the world, sports. If you have a hobby, or shoot it, whatever it is, let the world know that your home business is giving you more lifestyle. Personally, I love to watch movies, and so the moment I'm able to put everything together, I get the opportunity to watch my movies and I'm good. So these are the things you should let people get in, and then believe me, people are watching and they are attracted to people who know how valuable all these little moments are. I remember before COVID-19, I used to rush my kids to school. I didn't have time. I have to rush because I have to go to work. Now with my lifestyle, I'm in the home. I take time to feed my kids. I have a business I'm running. Even though I don't go to work, I'm not suffocating because income is not coming in. I have something I lean on and it's paying me better. It's giving me a lot of personal development. So you don't have to be on a yacht or driving a Maserati to have a lifestyle. You have it right now, right where you are. So go out and use it and watch the leads pile in. Understand that everything is gradual. The moment you begin to take those steps, you are actually going to be seeing results. Do like and comment below this video what you've enjoyed most about this video. As well, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, feel free to click the subscribe button, as I do release a lot of videos that are going to help you 10 times your sales online. And there are more videos at the end of this video for you to watch and even learn more ways of how to grow your business online. If you need free coaching, feel free to comment coaching below this video, because I do offer free 30-minute coaching call where you can actually understand how to run your business and move into profit fast. If you're also now looking for business opportunity, click the link in the description below and get to join my team Abundance, where everything is happening. Until I catch you again, it has really been lovely, and I really thank you so much for joining me. It is a bye-bye.